That tastes good.
I agree.
Ash fingers at Plotagon store and Plotagon.
Hi, my name is Leslie. Welcome to ThePlotaCraft News Midday. We will have some news for today. A 12-year-old girl stole 1,000 phones in entire Midtown in Plotagon City. 2 cars crashes into construction work area in a street. In Plotagon City, a new company has started to make a new better and faster smartphones than Samsung, Google Pixel and Xiaomi. On top story for the midday news. Have you know the best car repair service in Clement City? It has many services to do, including upgrading the horsepower of a car, upgrading the size of a gas tank and more.
Live from Clement City, this is TPC News Midday, with Leslie Henderson.
Hello and good afternoon. A 12-year-old girl named Classic Rosie wore grey shirts, blue shorts and blue shoes, and she has a ginger hair, who stole 1,000 phones at the entire of Midtown in Plotagon City.